Sorry.
I have decided recently to get braces treatment for my teeth, but I do not want any visible or clear braces at this age. Hence, I decided to go for lingual braces. These are completely invisible and have a superior mechanics. Hence, treatment time is also reduced. I am aware that some initial difficulties of speech, tongue sores, chewing and oral hygiene may occur, but I think I am motivated and prepared for it. I am looking forward to a better smile.
Okay, Prashant. So, how much time has it been since your braces were installed?
It's been around 2 weeks.
2 weeks. So, as you were talking in your speech that some problems were told to you. So, tell me about any problem like tongue sore or any ulcer. What was your experience? Did you get any of them?
Specifically to tongue sore or ulcers, I have never faced any problem.
Okay.
But while chewing, I found some problem while chewing, especially some items which are hard to chew.
Okay. And so, what were you doing for that?
Now I am practicing myself the better way to chew out things and avoiding hard things that may damage my braces or brackets.
Okay. And did you find any speech deficit in the last 2 weeks? That any word is not coming properly, and or somebody can tell that you have a speech deficit or something is there in the mouth?
In the initial 2-3 days, I faced some speech problems while specifically speaking
Yes.
but nobody actually pointed out whether I am wearing braces or having any impairment in speech.
Okay. So, and now do you have the same problem or is it gone
No, now I'm very comfortable while speaking.
while speaking?
Yeah.
And what about the oral hygiene? Are you able to keep your braces clean?
Yeah, I'm able to clean my braces, and it's a comfortable process. It's nothing very difficult task to do. The point is you have to do it regularly and at 3 to 4 times a day. That's all.
Okay. And as of the chewing process, so after 2 weeks, what are you able to have and what are you not able to have?
Initially, I was not able to chew chapatis and like things, but now I'm able to chew chapatis in a more comfortable way. So
And
gradually, I have come from rice.
what are you having these days apart from chapati?
Rice
Rice.
and this curd sort of things which are light on my teeth and on braces and brackets.
Are you able to eat bread?
Yeah, it's
And fruits?
fruits. I'm avoiding apples and this hard stuffs, but I'm more concentrating to juices.
Juices.
Yeah.
So, do you think that you're not getting full proper nourishment or proper nutrition because of braces, or are you able to take other things?
No, actually, as far as the food is concerned, I am not taking every kind of food which I was taking before braces, but matlab, to actually to let my nutrition be in fulfillment, I am taking other things like juices,
Okay.
like milk.
Okay. Thank you.